The utility-owned battery and inverter for the American-made solar price. A majority of the solar power system costs today are due to soft costs. These costs are significant and they're getting higher. To dramatically reduce soft costs, we're going to have to greatly simplify solar installations, allow utilities to meet their own interconnection standards, and let them work on their own equipment because they do not need to get electrical permit. The typical solar power system installation would consist of the customers installing the DC portion of the solar array on the roof down to a DC standard plug. They would then get on the phone, contact the utility, say, "I'm done, come hook me up." Utility was installing the battery, inverter, make the utility interconnection, plug it in, and they're done. The four innovative aspects of this project are the meter socket adapter, the standardized DC plug, and the ability to use AC kilowatt-hour meters and remote disconnect. But the most important aspect is that it creates a business model that works for electric utilities and their customers. This is all possible because the connections are made on the utility side of the meter socket. There are many aspects of the DC plug that we don't have time to go into in this short video. The main thing is that this device can be controlled by the utility to take solar in when they want to and discharge it back onto the grid in or take power out of the grid anytime they want. The main thing the customers want from the system is to be able to power their home during an outage.